Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making egg toast in the air fryer. Let's begin. We're just going to make an indentation in the center of the bread. You can use your finger too. There you go. Okay, we have the indentation. Now we're gonna add some Irish butter. This is my favorite kind of butter. Put a slice of butter in the center. There we go. Now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, it's been preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the bread. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna crack open 2 eggs. One. 2. We're gonna season it with some sea salt. And some black pepper. Okay, now we're gonna put it in. We're gonna go for 380 degrees for 9 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 9 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, this is what we have today. Egg toast made in the air fryer. It's really easy to make. Give it a try. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.